Welcome back. You may notice that your site shows as not secure or as not having an SSL certificate even if you have this feature enabled from your host. If you can verify that your SSL is enabled at the host, you can use your WordPress website functionality to make sure that the site matches these parameters. What we're going to do is to go to our plugin functionality. We're going to type in the words SSL, and we're going to look for the results. Now you're going to see a number of options available. Once again, you're going to verify which one is going to be the safest for your site. For the sake of this video, we're going to use really simple SSL. Now once again, always verify that this plugin will be safe for your website before you install it. We're going to click Install Now. We're then going to click Activate. What we're then going to need to do is to click Activate SSL. Now you will have other items that will be optional as to whether or not you want to close them. For the sake of this video, we can close these items. Once we do that, we can then click Save. Now the other items are part of the paid plugin. We are going to leave this plugin as is, and our site should now be secure. And you'll be able to see now the site has the HTTPS and that the site is now considered to be secure. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.